Hi, how's everyone doing? I want to take a quick second to kind of throw a quick video together. I had several questions about what we do. A lot of people that's watch my videos, they assume that we're realtors. Just wanted to make it clear that, we are not realtors. We do not want to be realtors. We love realtors. We work with several on a daily basis, but that's not what we do. We're real estate investors. Some coin it as residential redevelopers. That is what we do. We focus on revitalizing the communities, going in, finding distressed properties and bringing them back to life so families can actually take advantage of it and there not be a waste to the community. And I know some investors get a bad name. I would tell you and explain to you why they're important. When you have a rundown home, abandoned home that is in distress, a normal bank lender is not gonna give you a consumer a normal loan. They will not. So if you have a family that sees a home, like, I'll repair it, they're not gonna give you a loan unless it meets a certain standard. And usually these distressed homes do not meet that standard. And the banks gotta be able to have that fall within Freddie Mac's criteria. And usually the homes that we're talking about in that distress level do not. So the benefits of a investor is we come along with funding that's not associated with the bank system, that we can buy the asset, rehab the asset, bring it back up to a standard that is lendable and livable and nice for a family to live in and be happy to live in. And then that family can come along and actually go acquire a loan from a bank to purchase that home. And now that has given value back to the community as well as that family to move forward. So I know some people, especially a lot of the city or county, may frown upon, and you see a lot of bad stuff when they be trying to do different regulations. I would always tell you that it's the government. They usually don't have the funding. So I tell you, you can't really rely and put all your eggs in that one basket. We have to learn to use our resources. Investors are one of the resources. So you have natural disasters and some people they're just coming in just to, take advantage. And then later on, you will find out that the government didn't come through. They don't have a real plan to get the buildings up and going and provide for the families that may have been left out. Why not, as a city or county or state, leverage the investors, work out a plan with them, and let them fund at the end of the day and get this construction projects up and running fast. But I just want to kind of give a snapshot of, what we do, what we focus on. I know there's a lot of different things said about investors here and there, but there's actual place in the plan for them and how we do things. Well, we're still always here to help and assist, share how we decisions on acquisition of properties or even sales, or even the rehab processes that we do. So if you need information, don't hesitate to reach out. We always here to help. And then also we allow certain situations to help out others that invest with us. That's another piece of the pie we do. We work with certain people that have the opportunity, that are interested, and we do allow them to invest on deals that we work. But don't be hesitant or work with other investors, talk with them. Sometimes you may find that some of them may have great deals that are selling some of the properties that they finished working on. And when they're selling, they're not selling with emotion. So when you're buying another consumer, you're buying based off emotion. That investor is strictly numbers. So as long as that can make something out of the deal, you can most likely a lot of times get even a lot better deal working with an investor. But as I said again, don't hesitate, reach out. Let me know if you got any questions or concerns. We're always here to help. Aloha.